Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, we will be learning how to rotate on Canva. If you are trying to find a way to rotate an element on Canva designs, which can be text, images, shape, etc., then first of all, launch open the Canva application and log into your account. After you're inside the home page, select a design where you want to rotate the elements. You can also create a new design if you want to do so. After you have your design or your element on the screen, go ahead and select the element you want to rotate. After selecting it, it will be highlighted. Now, right after you do that, go ahead and look for the circular arrow button which will be appearing below your selected element. Simply tap on it and swipe your finger in order to rotate your element on the screen. You need to hold and shift while rotating to snap to specific angles like 45 degrees, 90 degrees, etc. So that is how you go ahead and rotate an element on Canva. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.